Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today we have another do-it-yourself video. This video is to demonstrate the use of Fray check in repairing a hole in a nylon screen. So Fray check is used in serging and sewing. So when you cut threads next to a fabric, you don't want the threads to pull out. And if you put this, what turns out to be a liquid, flexible, strong, clear glue, which seals the threads to the fabric so they won't unravel. So, since a nylon screen is, in a sense, a form of fabric, it occurred to me that Fray check would be good to repair it. So I have a roll of screen, nylon screen, and I'm showing you this is just a sample piece of screen that I cut a hole in the middle of it, which I'm going to patch. So what I'm going to do is cut a piece, a rectangle, a little bit bigger than the hole. I don't want to make it bigger than necessary because it will appear darker than the original hole, and I don't want it to detract too much from the original appearance. And then all I need to do is take the Fray check, open it up. I'm going to stick a pin in the spout because the Fray check tends to dry and clog between uses, so that will open it up so it'll flow out. And I'm basically just going to put a bead, and it's liquid, and a bead around the periphery. Make sure it's lined up right. And then I'm going to take a piece of wax paper with the wax side down, put it on top, and I'm going to take a tape dispenser, which is weighted, and just put that right on top so that when the Fray check dries, it'll dry flat, adherent directly to the surface of the screen. So this should constitute the repair, and I need to leave the Fray check to dry for a couple of hours, but I will show you an actual screen repair that I did the other day. I didn't know if this was going to work out okay, but it did work out just fine, and I'll show you the results.